Hey guys, it's your girl Cam. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a video on these cute pink cat items I got from Amazon for my cat. I'm just gonna be building them. I did an unboxing in my last video if you want to check that out. But yeah, super cute, pink. Let's just get right into the video. Alright, so here I'm just taking out all the pieces that I need, and the instructions as well. Once I get all the pieces out and the instructions paper, it's kind of self-explanatory. Yeah, it's literally like maybe 4 or 5 pieces after you put the base on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the base on camera, but everything else, just so this video wouldn't be too long, I did off camera. So yeah, this is just me taking out everything and showing you all the pieces. So I'm not gonna lie, right about here I got a little frustrated because it didn't look like it was leveled. So I was like, I'm not doing something right. I ended up taking it apart and just restarting over, but it turned out that this was, how it's supposed to go together. So yeah, this should have only took like 5 or 10 minutes, and it took longer than it was supposed to because I was a little confuzzled. But we got it together. We got it together. Frustration in my face. That took way too long, but we're on to our next project. So boom, we're working on the platform plates / bowls for Buddha. They're so cute and pink. This doesn't take that long. It's pretty self-explanatory. I really like how it came with the option to do either a short platform or a tall one. I ended up doing one short one, one tall one. I did the short one for her water, and I did the tall one for her food. So yeah, you'll see how I built the platforms for her bowls. guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. I will be sure to link both of these items that I built today down below in the description. If not, it will be in a pinned comment. As you can see, Maxine, she's enjoying herself. And that's good. I'm happy about that. So thank you guys for joining me and watching this video. If you enjoyed, please like or leave a comment down below. And until next time, guys, bye.